All right, so this is the FSL Chapter Registration and Training page in WebCourses. Here you will see that the course is set up for two things, officer training modules, as well as chapter paperwork and forms. So first, let's go to the Assignments tab, where you will see all the paperwork that's due. Here you'll see Packet 1, each of the forms that's due, Packet 2, and all of the monthly president reports. And then the big thing on this page is also that each required event throughout the whole semester is set up as an assignment. If you click into it, you'll see the description of the event, you'll see who's required to be there, and you'll see the due date is set up to be when the event either starts or, in this case right here, when something's due. So that way, the reminders that come up on your WebCourses page show you not only, maybe there's a report due or a form due, but you also have an upcoming required event. Next, we'll go to the Files tab, where you'll be able to download any paperwork and forms. Those are in a folder here, as well as a variety of other things like the P&M grade report check, the question bank for standards of excellence. You can download a Zoom background of the Office of Fraternity and Sorority Life if you'd like, the advising structure, quite a few things here for you. Then we'll go to modules to show you the overview of Fraternity and Sorority Life module will appear for everyone, and this is a prerequisite to do any of the more specific officer position training. So everyone is asked to do this overview, as well as the second training, which is on hazing and reporting. And then some of you will have an additional module to complete based on your position. And the last thing I'll show you is the grades. So when you submit paperwork on time, or when you meet the requirement for event attendance, someone in the Office of Fraternity and Sorority Life will input the assignment grade, and you'll be able to see that here. So you'll see maybe for right here, the crisis plan, if you turn it in on time and you've completed that correctly, you will get the full 2 points. And these points go towards standards of excellence. So it's nice to be able to see here under grades how your chapter is doing towards that. If you ever have any questions specific to WebCourses or the functionality of this page, please contact Hannah Cotton in the office.